very big living area, I must say. And the dining area, an L-shaped kitchen slab, which is, we come into the master bedroom, which is of approximately 10.3. Hello and welcome to Housey, India's only online platform जहाँ पे listing करते हैं सीधे developers, thereby giving you the bottom most price guaranteed. Unlike other real estate portals, जहाँ पे listing करते हैं brokers और आप करते हैं एक call, आपकी एक inquiry पे आपको आते हैं multiple calls. At Housey हम आपका contact करवाते हैं सीधे developers के साथ, जिस वजह से आपका home buying process हो जाता है बिल्कुल भी वरी फ्री। और आज मैं एकता कपूर आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सैंपल फ्लैट का वीडियो, which is of the project The Rising by Saniket Group. Let's go and check out the sample flat. And here I am entering the 963 square feet 3 BHK apartment. ये है आपका video door phone for your safety and security, and of course a digital door lock which can be operated with your thumbprint with a numeric lock, digital key and also a physical key. Now let's proceed into the house. ये lobby जो कि है approximately 5.5 by 4 square feet has a good space for your shoe racks and storage units. And here we enter into the living area. The living area dimensions are approximately 11 by 16.5 square feet. That is a very big living area, I must say. And the dining area is an additional 3 by 10 square feet. Here is your balcony, which comes with anti-skid tiles, and also it comes covered from 3 ends and has an iron glass railing to it. The balcony dimensions are approximately 11 by 5 square feet. Now, before we move into the kitchen, let me tell you that they have one bedroom on one side and the other on the other side. That makes it a butterfly home. Let's go and check out the guest bedroom first. Now, the guest bedroom dimensions are approximately 10.3 by 11.3, and it has an attached toilet and washroom to it, which is of approximately 4.6 by 7.9 square feet. And it also has a window for perfect ventilation and amazing lighting as well. And now we come over here back into the living area so that we can check out the kitchen. From this dining area, easy access to the kitchen and a very big opening right over here. They have provided good space over here for your refrigerators and an L-shaped kitchen slab, which is of approximately, the kitchen dimension is of approximately 9.3 by 8 square feet, and an additional dry utility area which is of 3.9 by 8 square feet. They have also provided a 3 mm tile drop so that your wet areas and your dry areas can be separated. Because they are calling it the dry balcony or the utility area, they have also provided a very big window, in fact a wall-to-wall window over here, which can be opened with a sliding door and also has a mosquito net to it, because of which there will be good ventilation in the kitchen and also it will always remain well lit. Let's proceed towards the kids' bedroom now. The common bedroom over here is of approximately 10 by 11.5 square feet, and it comes with this big window over here. और इस विंडो के बाहर का जो पोर्शन है वो जो एक पोर्च टाइप का है, which ensures security of course if something falls down from the window. And this window can be opened with a sliding door right over here and a huge one, and it comes with a pre-fitted mosquito net as well. And now we're going to move towards the master bedroom. And before we go there, I need to tell you something more. Of course, let me tell you a little about Housey right over here. Because at Housey, we do sample flat videos for you, 360-degree tours, pros and cons videos, actual location tours, and also project overview videos. Now, once you have seen the flat from inside, outside, you know the location, you know the project overview, you know the amenities, then you need to know the pricing and other details like the possession and everything. अब ये सब कहाँ से पता चलेगा? बहुत सिंपल है, नीचे कैप्शन में दिया हुआ है एक लिंक जिस पे आपको करना है क्लिक, जिससे आप रजिस्टर कर पाएंगे housey.com पे. Once you have done that, then you will get all the details like an all-inclusive pricing, like the EMI details, the down payment details, and everything else that you need to know before you go ahead and book your dream home. Now you need to also know कि इस सब के charges कितने होंगे. इस सब के चार्जेस कुछ नहीं है. At Housey, home buying is simplified and also brokerage free. So quickly register yourself on housey.com and let me proceed into the master bedroom of this house over here. And right opposite the kids' bedroom is also the common washroom, which is right over here. And it comes with anti-skid tiles, wall-to-wall vitrified tiles, and the CP sanitary fittings as well. And through this aisle area, we come into the master bedroom, which is of approximately 10.3 by 14.3 square feet. And it again has that porch space outside the window over here and a really big window. इतनी बड़ी बड़ी windows होने का ना एक advantage होता है that जो आपका room होता है ना वो हमेशा well lit होता है क्योंकि ये एक additional glass space यहाँ पे मिल जाती है जो कि फिक्स्ड है पर एटलीस्ट लाइट बहुत अच्छी आती है और इतने बड़े विंडो जो कि स्लाइडिंग है इससे काफी सारा अच्छा वेंटिलेशन भी बना रहता है. एंड लेट्स क्विकली टेक अ लुक एट द अटैच्ड टॉयलेट एंड वॉश टू द मास्टर बेडरूम व्हिच इज of approximately 4.9 by 7.9 square feet and comes with anti-skid tiles and wall-to-wall vitrified tiles. And now before I leave, let me also remind you very quickly that you saw this beautiful property on Housey.com. Stay tuned for more. Thank you. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project The Rising located in Ravet, Pune by Saniket Builders.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.